salamat sa ato ng mahal nga Ginoo. Siguro na namiagin sa kanta na ito, no? Ang ato nga pangadik nga namuntat bilang ulan para sa atong subong. To our beloved Mayor, Jose Luis Jolo Alarconi, our dynamic Vice Mayor, David Judge Baga Jr., my fellow members of Sangguniang Panlungsod, department heads, city employees, barangay officials, partners in tourism, educators, students, and all proud Mangkasano. Mayong aga sa inyong tanan. It is a joy and a deep honor to stand before you today on this meaningful morning, not just to raise our flag, but to lift our shared hopes as we mark the opening of our City Tourism Week celebration. This week is more than a festive occasion. It is a moment of recognition of who we are, where we come from, and the future we're building together. Tourism is more than promotion, it is identity. Each time we welcome a visitor, we're not just sharing our sights, we're sharing our story, our culture, our hearts as a community. From our Sambita music to our cuisine, from our heritage sites to the smiles of our people, we offer something no map can measure, the warmth and authenticity of being a Mangkasano. This year's celebration aligns with the broader vision of our Mayor, Jose Luis Jolo Alarconi, whose leadership continues to steer La Carlota towards sustainable progress anchored in community pride. Our tourism program supports this vision by valuing culture as both a resource and a responsibility. This is a shared undertaking that goes beyond City Hall. It reaches every barangay, every household, every citizen. But no vision stands alone. Our path forward calls for unity. We must work together for the city and for the next generation of Mangkasano. The beauty of La Carlota is not only in our places, but in our people. People who care, people who serve, people who dream. And it is through self-collaboration that we make these dreams real. Let us also remind ourselves that leadership is not only found in titles, but in the kind of service we choose to give. In times like this, we must entrust our effort to people who work not just with skills, but with compassion, with sincerity, and with deep commitment to the well-being of every Mangkasano. The strength of this city lies in those who lead by lifting others up, and in those who serve as one team, one vision, one heart. As we begin this Tourism Week, let us take it as a reminder of our collective responsibility, not just to celebrate what we have, but to protect it, grow it, and share it with the world. Let us be inspired to build a city that our children will be proud to inherit. One that is inclusive, vibrant, welcoming, and always rooted in who we are. As I end, allow me to share 3 reflections that speak to the spirit of this celebration. Tourism is the celebration of culture, not the consumption of it. If we want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. And a city is not gauged by its strength and width, but by the broadness of its vision and height and its dreams. Let this week be more than an event, let it be a promise that we'll continue to work hand in hand para sa La Carlota, para sa kultura, at para sa pag-abuton sa aton kabataan. Mabuhay ang La Carlota, mabuhay ang atong kultura, mabuhay ang Mangkasano. La Carlota is not just a city you visit, it's a story you carry. Let's go, La Carlota.